Hello, this is Dr. Chung. Yeah, someone asked me to go over 2023 AMC 8. Okay, so we're gonna finish our number 1 to 25. Okay, all right. Okay, now let's do number 1. So 8 times 4 plus 2, this is very easy, right? There is a 32 plus 2 is what? 34. And the minus in the parentheses, that is 8, right? That is multiplication is first. So 8 plus 8 is 16, right? So how much? 18, okay? Number D is the answer. Number 2, oops, yeah. Okay, a square piece of paper is folded, right? Twice. First one and second one, okay? So we cut this portion. And when we unfold again, what the paper will match which of the following. When you take off inside, okay, maybe you can try this one. This unfold before one over here, the other one is over here, right? 2 times. So in the middle, that must be look like this, okay? So choice is the answer. All right, number 3. Okay, wind shear. This is wind shear. That's the formula, right? And the air temperature minus zero point 0.7 times wind speed. Wind speed is given over here. Okay. Air temperature 36. That is 36 minus zero point 0.7 times wind speed is 18. It's very simple, right? That is what? 36 minus, when you multiply this one, 12.6. Okay. That's approximately. Okay. Or 36 minus 12 is how much? This is a 4, this is a 3, this is 2, right? 23.4. So choice B is this, okay? Or you can use this is what? 13, right? Approximately. So 36 minus 13, you can use this. Okay. Number 4, we have our numbers 1 to 49 arranged in spiral pattern over here, okay? Let me see. The first few numbers are given over here. Consider 4 numbers that will appear in shaded pair, okay? Vector questions. Here is the questions. How many of these 4 numbers are prime? Diagonals edge 7 over here, okay? Here you go. Yeah, there's your diagonal. How many numbers are prime? He continue, okay? This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 over here, right? 37, 38, 39. Are you okay? And 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay? So over here, how many numbers are prime? Okay? How many of these 4 numbers are prime? We have 4 numbers except 7. Okay? This is prime, this is prime, this is prime. Okay? 3 numbers is the answer. Number 5 is statistics. Okay? A lake contains 250 trout along with a variety of other fish. So there are 250 trout. Now, how many pieces we don't know, right? Okay. When marine biologists they catches and release the sample is 180 piece from the lake, right? When you release 180, but there are what? 30, right? There are trout. Okay, that's the ratio. If you choose what 250 trout, how many pieces? It's gonna be same ratio, right? Okay. So we have 30, 180, okay? That's the sample. So when you multiply this one, this is 1 over 6. Okay, x equals how much? 250 times 6 is 1500 is the answer. Okay, the number 6, 2, or 2, and 3. Okay, so what is the maximum possible value of expressions? If this is 0, or 0, right? That's not working. So 0 cannot be in here or here in the base place. Okay, it should be one of here. Okay. So what is this one? The largest number is what? We have a largest number 2 and 3. How outside this one? 2 to the third power, that is 8. 3 to the second power is 9. All right, that is better, right? 3 seconds. The smallest number, another one is 2 over here, right? So this one equals to 1 times 9 equals to 9, okay? That's the answer. Number 7, you have two rectangle, right? Two sides, x and y, they're parallel, and opposite vertex over here, okay? What is the vertex over here? 53 and 65, okay? The line is drawn from A0 and 3 and 1, and C is 0, 10, and 2, 9. How many points on the rectangle lie on at least one of these two lines? Okay, so we have two lines over here, these two lines. What is the next one? Two right to one down, or one down to right, one down to right, one down to right. Okay, right? Make the line. It goes this way. Never touch the right, the square. When you have a AB over here, three right to one up, 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 three right to one up. Pass through this point. Okay, only 1 point. Okay, so choice B is this. Okay. Number 8, we have 4 guys participating in the ping pong tournament. Right, each player competed against each other 3 players exactly twice. Okay, yeah, twice. So shown below over here, win-loss record for the plays. Okay, so 1 and 0 represent 1 is win, loss is what? 0. Okay, when you're over here, when they match, okay, there are 2 win, there must be 2 loss. Okay, the number of wins must be equals to number of lost. Okay, so we have 2 wins there, this is 0. Okay, we have 2 wins there, this is 0. 2 wins there, this is 0. 1 wins, 2 lost, there is 1 wins, 1 over here. This is also a 2 wins, 2 lost. 1 wins, 2 lost, we need 1 wins. It should be looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna write that one more time. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 is the answer. Okay, option A is the answer. Okay. Okay, we have a curve over here, right? You have a curve over here. That's the time, and this is the elevations in meters. So, where are the questions? In total, how many seconds does it spend at an elevation between 4 and 7? Right? Elevation 4 and 7. Where is the 4? Here. 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 Where is the 7? Here. And here. Here. And here. So, how many seconds does it spend on an elevation between 4 and 7? Elevation, okay? Now depression. Where is the elevation? From here to and here to here. Okay, elevation is what? Let me check. Between from any elevation, right? Yeah, any elevation. Between 4 and 7. So between these numbers. So here and here and here It's okay. So between 4 and 7, there is 2 seconds. Here we go, from to here, 4 seconds. And over here, 12, 14 is 2 seconds. So 8 seconds, okay? All right, Harold made a plum pie to take a picnic. He was able to eat only one portion of pie. Okay, one portion of pie he ate. 3 portions left, all right? But the second guy ate 1/3 of Harold left. So 1/3 of left is what? 3/4. That is what? 1 portion, isn't it? Another guy is 1 portion here. The third guy, how many left over here? 1/2 left, but 1/3 of 1/2 he ate. Okay, that is 1/6, isn't it? He ate over here, 1/6 over here he ate. How many left? You can use this one. Okay, 1/2 left, 1/6. So 1/2 minus 1/6. 3/6, 1/6 equals 2/6. That is 1/3 is left. Okay. After you add all these numbers, this one plus this one plus this one. After that, we subtract, okay? 1/4 plus 1/4 and 1/6. This is still 1/3. You can use this one too, okay? But I like this one. Number 11, NASA's preserved the rover, okay? Perseverance rover and launched on July this way, and that is travel distance. It landed Mars, okay, 6.5 months later. Which of the following is the closest reach speed? Just closest means what? Just approximation. We can multiply, right? From this number to this number. Okay? Divide, right? So 292 approximately 300, right? That is better. Don't treat this one. Okay, 292, 562, 338 divided by 6.5 months is what? 30 days and 24. You want to divide these numbers? No, right? Okay. Just approximate. That is 300 million. Divided by 6.5. I'm going to write down over here. 6.5 months times 24. Each month is what? 24. Oh, no. Each month is 30 days, right? You can use 30 or 31. It doesn't matter, okay? And times is 1 day is 24 hours. This is how much? 195, isn't it? Times 24. You can use this approximate 200. This is 25. Okay? 200 times 25 is how much? 5,000. Are you okay with this? Right. This is approximate, okay? Take what will be our closest numbers. So 3 zeros is out. 300 divide by 5 is just 60, but we still have a 3 zero, right? So 60,000 is the answer, okay? So I'm going to use the ratio of similars, okay? The small one, that's a small one, medium size, this one, right? And the third one is large one, and another large one, okay? If this is, this is 1, that is diameter is 1, second one is 2, the large one is 4, the largest one is 1, 2, 3, and 6, right? That is the ratio of their length. Using this, what is the ratio of their area? This is 1, and 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. So out of 36, but this area is 1, 1, 1. What about this area? 16 minus 2 of this one, right? 8. Are you okay? This is a 4, this is a 4, and third one is a 16. 16 minus 4 plus 4 is 8, that is equals to 8. That's the shaded area, okay? So what is the sum of our shaded area? 8, 9, 10, 11. You can use this one too, okay? The number is 13. Yeah, we have 7 water stations. So 1, 2, three, four, five, six, seven water stations there. And there are two repair stations in the middle, right? Two repair. One is over here, the other one is over here, right? Looks like two repair. The third water station, this is third water station, and located after one post location over here, after one post. Okay. So this is 2 miles. This is actually how much? If the distance is d, 1, 2, 3, that is about 8, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is about 3 out of 8. So 3d over 8, this side. What about this one? 130, right? The difference is 2 miles. So 3d over 8 minus 1/3 of d. Quickly, right? Find this one. 24 is 9d minus times at both sides 8d. That is equals to what? D over 15, right? That is equals to 2 miles. So d equals 48 is the answer, right? 24 times 2 equals 48. Number 14. Nicholas planning to send a package to his friend Anton, the stamp collector. The stamps package, okay, we're gonna use what? The larger number of stamps, okay? We're gonna use larger number of stamps. Suppose we have a collection 5-cent stamps, 10-cent stamps, or 25 stamps. Each one has a 20, right? Yeah, 20, 20, 20. So we're going to find the greatest number of stamps, right, to pay $7.10 is what 710 cents, isn't it? I'm going to use a cent, okay? All right. So what is the greatest number of stamps? If this number is X, this number is Y, this number is Z. Anyway, to get away greatest number, try to use all of this one, right? This way, this way, this way. Maybe you can try this one too. If we choose 20 over 5, that is 100. 20 over 10 is 200. But to pay this one, we got what? 410, right? 710 minus 300 is 410. But 410, when you divide the 25, 410 quickly divided by 25, okay? So it's going to be about 25, 160. This is the 6, 150, right? 10 cents more. This one is actually 10 cents more, okay? For 16, that is 410. And if you choose by 16 stamp, that is 400. But we have 10, right? How to pay 10? We used what 5 cents 20, 10 cents 20 already. So we're going to increase this one, right? 16. So you're going to make that is 17 to increase 17. We increased over here, right? 15 cents. Okay? So we're going to take off 15 cents from where? From here and here. Okay? So how about the 15 cents? Just 1 over 5, 10 over 1 over 10, isn't it? So this was 19. This is 19. That is what? 15 cents. That's fine. So this one should be 17, okay? So total number of what? 38 plus 17 is what? 55, okay? That's the answer. Or you can use right, all of this one. In case this one is what? 20, 20, if you use all of this one. So how much? 100, 200, 20 times 25 is 500. It's going to be 800. More than 710, right? So we're going to take off 90 cents. Are you okay with this? 90 cents. We're going to take off. But it should be the smallest number, right? How to get 90 cents? 70 cents is the largest number, right? The 25 is 75. That's the largest number. The 25, right? Times 3. The next one is 10 cents. Another one is 5%. That's fine. This is 3 stamps. This is 1 stamp. Another 1 stamp. Out of 20, we take what? One step is out, that is 19. One step is out, that is 19. Three steps out of this one, right? Take up 3 from 20, that is 17. Okay, you can use this one too. Still 19 plus 17, same number, 55. Okay, that's the number 14. Here is the number 15. So half miles from here to here, that is half miles. 0.5 miles. Okay. So the route is 10 cities. Okay, we have 10 cities. I'm going to do this one thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, 10 cities. So there's a detour over here, right? It's in the middle, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle. Okay. So 3 blocks after 5 blocks. Okay, 3 blocks detour instead of 1 block to reach the next corner. Each time he starts detour, okay? So we're gonna find what speed he must work in order to get what the score at his usual time. From here to here, they take about 5 minutes. From here to also, they have to use only spend about 5 minutes, okay? So total is 10 minutes. So time is about 5 minutes over here. What is distance? To find the average speed, distance over time, isn't it? Where is distance? Each block, when you divide it by 10 over here, 0.05 miles per block, okay? But over here, from this times, what's the speed, okay? 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. So 7 of this one. 0.05 times 7 equals to 3.5 miles, okay? From here, it takes like 3.5 miles. Speed is, time is 5 minutes, but we're gonna express our speed in 5 per miles per hour, right? So 5 minutes is what? 5 over 60 hours, isn't it? So, or 5 over 12, it doesn't matter, okay? So, for 5 over 60 hours. This is the speed, isn't it? 5.5 times 60 over 5, right? So, or this is a 1 over 12 times 12. Okay, that's the speed. Times 12 is what? 70 and 35, 4.2. Okay? Number 16. So we have a letter PQR in 20 by 20. This is, for example, the pattern 5.5, right? But actually, if this is 20 by 20, this is this is diagonal, right? Take it. This is 5 over here. This should be also, Q must be in here, right? 5 to 5. Okay? All right. Anyway, in diagonal, the letter Q must be on this diagonal. That's the pattern, right? Okay. Out of this 20 by 20, how many numbers of P's and Q's and R's? But take a look over here. This one looks like, what is that? Diagonal, right? In this diagonal, check out how many P's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many R's there? 1, right? Or you can use the R over here, okay? The other side, what is the R? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And diagonal. How many P there? R. 1, 2, 3 to the left, right? 3R. How many P? 3P there. Okay. So when you tackle over here, the number of P equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5R. I'm sorry. The number of P and number of R, number of P, they are equals. Same number, okay? The number of P and the number of R is going to have the same numbers, okay? If we have a number of P in the left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of R, the other side is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's right. That's the idea. But remember over here, this diagonal, P is what? Only one. The last one, Q is 2, R is 3. What about the other side over here? R is 1, Q is 2, P is 3. Are you okay with this? Okay, first one, how many Qs are there? In diagonal, there are 20 cubes, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. There are 4 times 5 is 20. It's okay? There's 20 cubes over here. What about the next one? It's gonna cube must be to the right hand side. Okay? How many left? It was a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number of cubes is what? 2 over here, right? 5 minus 2 will be 3. Always about 3 less than before. That's right. So this side is about 17. The next one is about 3 less than again. 14, 3 less than again. 11, 3 less than again. 8, 3 less than. 5, 3 less than is what is that? 2, isn't it? 2 is the last one. The last one should be, of course, looks like this one. 2. Q and Q2. What about to the left hand side? Same thing. This is 5. The next one is also what? 2, isn't it? So what is that? Still 17, right? 3 less than, and 14, and 11, and 8, and 5, and also what Q is the last one is, oh, same numbers. Okay, so how many Q's there? So you can check it out. That is 19, 19, 19, right? Times 3 equals 57. This is also 57. Total is what? 57 plus times 2 is 114, and another 20 there, right? It's going to be 134, isn't it? So Q is 134 here. But we know that the number of P and R should be equal to what is that? Should be equal, right? Yeah. It should be the same numbers. It can be 130 to 134 is different numbers. But this is the same numbers. Okay? That's it. Or you can find the old number of letters is 20 times 20 equals 400. When you take 134, that is for the Q, right? 134, that is 264, isn't it? By equal number, right? So when you divide by 2, that is, oh, that's just 6, I'm sorry. That is 133, okay? You can find that way too. Or just simply, we know that maybe you can guess elimination, okay? On this one, Q is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? On the right hand side. P is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All together, I'm going to count all together, okay? In this case, Q is how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Q is 9. What about R? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the P is also 8. You can count over here. But P is always greater than the number of R's and P's. But we know that these two numbers is equal, right? So, anyway, this number is equal. This is not equal. This is not equals. Okay. 34 is equal, but the number of Q's is greater than number of R and P. That's less than. Okay. This is also different. So only choice C is satisfied the condition, right? The number of Q's is greater than the other two numbers, but these two numbers are equal. Okay? All right. Here is number 17. So we have an octahedron, right? All the face is a triangle, equilateral triangle, right? So when we paper fold over here, it looks like this, and here over here. But the idea is this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even numbers is a page. Always what? Two numbers, opposite two faces, always parallel, okay? Parallel. Actually, I'm going to this is better. This side, this face, the other face, already parallel, right? Or other one is the side. This is 2 and 7 and 2, they are parallel. All other is side. Okay. So left hand side of the Q is 6, right? That's all side over here. This one swing over here, okay? Right hand side over here, right? 1 over here. So 1 is right hand side of the Q. This is what the side faces, okay? The side faces of the right equal parallel to side, okay? So what is this, okay? Looks like this. This is a prism, right? Top and bottom. These two, top and bottom, is always parallel. This is side, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 sides. That's the side faces. Same thing. But this one face is a triangle. That's why it looks weird. But it doesn't matter, okay? It's nothing different like this one. Right? Yeah, right 3, this is page 3 is what? Right of page 2. Page Q is what? Left over page 1. Okay? That is always side pages. 2 and 7, they are parallel, okay? Page 2 and page 7 must be parallel, okay? Number 18, grasshopper sits on long line of lily pad. But it jumps 5 pad to the right. Okay, that's 5 pad. To the right, a 3 pad to the left. They move this way. What is the fewest number of jumps it'll take to reach the lily pad 2023 to the right of here, from here, 2023. What is the number of a pad? Okay. This jump is what to the right is X jump, to the left is what Y jump. Okay? Their coordinate. Their location is 5X and minus 3Y. That is equals to what? 2020. That to the right is a positive number, right? 2023 positive number. But we're going to find the fewest number of X and Y. Okay? Maybe you can try express the X first. X equals how much? 2023 and plus 3y over, but divide by 5. But you know that that is what? Diophantine equation, which is solution must be integer, right? X must be integer number of jumps. To be integer, this number should be divisible by 5. But first number we can start. Y equals 0, not working. Y equals 1, not working. Y equals 2, 3 plus 2 is 6. Right? Unit digit is 1, not working. Y is 4, 12. 3 plus 2 is, what is 5? Divided by 5, okay? So y equals 4 is okay. But in this case, that is 12. So 2020 and plus 12 is 2035 when you divide by 5, right? 407, isn't it? So here's the number of jumps to the right to left is what? The 407 plus 4 is 411 is the answer, okay? Or you can use the modular arithmetic. 2023, when you divide by 5, modular arithmetic is what? Remainder is 3, isn't it? That means you can write that. 2023, actually 3 mod 5. Divided by 5, we need a 2 more, right? But remainder is 2 when divided by 5, only 12, isn't it? 12 divided by 5 is what? Remainder is 2, right? You can find the number 12 using this method. Okay, here is the number 19. Yeah, equilateral triangles. Inside there is 2 circles. There is a deep. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. Maybe you can take this with the actual their dimensions, or you can increase 200, 300, or 20, 30. It doesn't matter. Any number is okay. I'm going to use this small number, 2 and 3. If you remember the area of equilateral triangle, if this is all sides is s star equal the area of this one, equilateral triangle is s times s squared times rad 3 over 4. That's the formula. You can try to find this one because of over here, right? That's just 60. This is s over 2. This is s over 2 rad 3, okay? So s times height divided by 2, you will get the area. This is the formula. I remember this one. Okay, using this one, you can find the area of the smaller one. How much here? S is 2, right? 2 squared is 4, square root 3 over 4. Large one, this is 3, large one. If this is 3, how much? 3 squared is 9, rad 3 over 4, isn't it? So, 9 rad 3 over 4 minus 4 rad 3 over 4, when you subtract, so area of this one, and this one. 9 minus 4 is 5, rad 3 over 4 is the area of this 3 trapezoid. But each one is how much? Divided by 3 is what? Times 1/3, right? So this area actually equals 5 rad 3 over 12. The rest is what? Out of these numbers, in a triangle. This one in a triangle, rad 3, okay? When you divide by 4, you get rad 3. What is the ratio? Rad 3 is out. 5 over 12 is the answer, okay? Or you can use the ratio in similar, okay? So I'm going to try this one. If this is 2, this is 3. This is similar, right? This is the ratio of the length is 2 to 3. What is the ratio of the area? 2 squared to 3 squared, right? If this is ratio of the length is A to B, ratio of the area A squared to B squared, only in similars, okay? In similars. Ratio of their volume is A cubed to B cubed. So area 2 squared is 4, this is 9. Take this area is 4, the other area is 9. What is the area of this 3 trapezoid? 9 minus 4 is what? 5, isn't it? But each one is divided by 3. 3 over 5. This area is 3 over 5. Inner area is 4, isn't it? Inner area is 4. Let me see. Nine minus 4 is 5 divided by 3 is what? 5 over 3, not 3 over 5, I'm sorry. This one should be 5 over 3, right? One of the area. Inner triangle is area is 4. So this one equals to 5 over 12, okay? I like to use the ratio of similars, okay? The number 28, we're gonna put in there 2 integers in this data. But to double its range, but current range is how much? 28 minus 3 is what? Current range is what? 25. Later it's gonna be equals twice, right? It should be 50, right? The mode median. Mode is what? The number occurs most often. Yeah, 3 is mode. 8 in the middle, right? But this is middle. That is median, right? So what is, we're gonna put in the right two numbers in there. Maximum possible sum of this one, A, I'm gonna put this one. A is to the left, B is to the right, always. That's why always why 8 is in the middle, right? But some of these numbers to have a maximum, A must be maximum, right? Where is A? To have a maximum 7, right? It can be 8. If this is 8 equal 8, it possibly is what it is. It can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But 8 is equals 8, that is a 2 mode, right? That is not equals. The maximum possible value of A is 7. But still, this is still minimum to have, right? Range is 50. 3 plus 50 is what? 53, right? That is mean. This is the value of B, isn't it? So 3, B is what? 53 on your right. A is 7 on your left. Sum of these numbers is 60, right? 7 plus 53 is 60. Okay? Or you can use some numbers over here, maybe very small numbers, 9 over here. Okay? Another number over here. But this number is negative. Sum of these two numbers is negative, right? So that doesn't work. We cannot take, right, the lowest number over here, okay? So we have to take, right, A is the biggest number, right, as possible. If this is a 9 over here, so 28 minus 50 is negative 22, right? Okay? That is range is 50. You know, that is B is a 9, A is a negative 22, right? So A plus B is still negative, isn't it? Negative 22 plus 9 is negative 13. That is not maximum, right? Maximum is positive. That's why we choose 7 and 53, okay? So I now write the number 1 to 9 separate card. Okay, we wish to divide the card into 3 groups. 1 groups, 2 groups, 3 groups over here. So that sum of all that number is 15. How many groups over? One of this one, or maybe second over here, right? Okay, so how can you divide these 9 numbers whose what the sum are equal? Okay, so we have 1 to 9. I'm gonna write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum of all these numbers is 45, right? 1 plus 9 is 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm sorry. 10, 10, 10, another 10, 4 tens, 40 plus 5 is 49, okay? When you divide it by 3, each term is 15, that's right. How can you divide this one? The idea is why if you choose smallest one first, 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, the next number is 12, that's not 12 there, that's not working. If we insert, okay, there is a 5, 1, 4, that is 5 and 9 is 9. Okay? Or 1, 5, or 2, 3. Wow, a lot of work. Right? We gotta find, okay, some other way, narrow searching area. How? Well, take the biggest number first. When you take a 9, the other sum of the other two numbers is 6, isn't it? We have only 6. 1 and 5, we have two choice. 1 and 5, or 2 and 6 is 6. 1 and 5, or 2 and 4, right? Yeah. That's it, right? We have only two choice. We can go this way or this way, right? You could choose 1, 9, 1, 5. Okay, choose 9, 1, 5. Now choose the next highest number is 8, isn't it? What are the other two numbers? Some should be 7, right? So 2, 5, 5 we used already. No good. 3 and 4, right? 7. So last one is 2, 6, 7. Okay? So, and 2, 6, 7. You have one way, so you can divide into these three like this. Okay? For second order, when you have a 2, 9, 2, 4, when you have this one, I'm going to delete this one. 9, 2, 4, where is it? 9, 2, 4. This one, 9, 2, 4. What is the other second group? Oh, the next one is 8, right? It's okay. 9 to 4 when you're 8. Some of the other two numbers 7, isn't it? Where is it? 1, 6, 8. Okay? 8, 1, 6. 8, 1, 6 is out. I'm left. 3, 4, 7, right? 7. 3, 4, 7. That's it, okay? One ways, two ways, okay? All right. Number 22. In a sequence of positive integers, each term after the second is the product is previous two terms. We have this as a Fibonacci sequence, okay? A and B. Product of these two is AB. Product of these two is what? A times B squared. That's four terms. What is fifth terms? Product of these two is A squared to B cubed, right? Where is the 6? Times A to A cubed to the B to the 5, isn't it? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. That is 6 terms, looks like this one. But we know that A is integer, B is integer, right? So we're gonna write factorize this one, okay? But we need these two expressions, 3 and 5. So 4,000 is, what is the 4 times 10 to the 3, right? 4 is what, 2 square? 10 is what, 2 times 5 cube, which is what? 2 cube, 5 cube, right? So when you simplify 2 to the what? 2 plus 3 is 5, and times 5 is a cube, right? So that's when you find the first term, the value of A. Sometimes that's when you second term or sometimes third term, right? You can remember. So first term is A. Which one is A? A is over here, which is with what? Exponent number is 3, right? That is A. This one is B, okay? So it's D is the answer. Okay, number 23, we have 3 by 3 grid. We're going to pair this one with this 4 card, all right? Yeah. What is the probability that tiling will containing a large gray diamond in one of the smaller topia? For example, if this is a diamond, you can replace this way. So one of this one together, right? So there's a phobia, right? You have a diamond. Here, or here, or here, or here, right? There are the 4 different ways to replace this diamond, okay? You can be here, you can be here, sorry. You can be here, let me this one, okay? So each one is 4 different ways, okay? So there's 4 different ways. But this is the last one, okay? We have this one. So if there is no restrictions, how many ways to place this way into this 3 by 3? Each one has, it can be repeated. This one, 4 here, right? That's 4 times. Another 4 times, 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 4 times. Okay, that is what 4 to the 9. Are you okay with this? But we need diamond over here. This is a fixed one, right? That's 1 times. Okay, all right. Still, this is a poor choice, right? This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so same thing. This is a poor choice over here. Another here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the probability 4 to the 5 choice, isn't it? This one is restriction, right? This one is no restriction. Okay, so total is how much? 4 to the 5. Now look over here. 1 to the what? 4 to the what? Fifth power, right? Fourth power. Okay, but each one has the same probability. This is 1 over 4 to the fourth, 1 to the fourth, 4 times. So times 4 over here, that's going to be answer, right? That is a 4 to the what? 4 third. 1 over 64 is the answer, okay? This one is here, diamond. Second one is here, diamond. Third one is here, diamond. Last one is here, okay? For different case. So number 24, isosceles triangle ABC has an equal side. Yep, equal side. We divide this into two area, okay? This is the height is now 11. This is all together is height is h. The constraint is the area of this shaded area must be equal, okay? Yeah. So what is the height? Okay. What is the value of this one? Maybe you can use some number, but still I'm going to use the ratio of similars. That's the easiest way, okay? Because what? The small triangle, large triangle. This is the height is 11. This height is what? H, right? All together, right? Yeah. These two triangles are similar. We know that, right? This angle equal, the other angle also equal, right? The ratio of the length is what? 11 to h. What is the ratio of the area? 11 square is 121. This area is what? H square, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to express this area. Altogether is h square minus 121. This side is what? H square minus 121, right? That's the area of the ratio. What about this side? This side is what? H minus 5, right? Okay. Okay, another triangle. This triangle, this triangle, this triangle, they are all similar, right? This is the height is H minus 5. This area is what is it? I'm going to use 11, 2, H2, H minus 5. That's the ratio of the length. Okay, ratio of there is 11 square and H square. This one is H minus 5 square, right? Okay, H minus 5 square. This one area is H minus 5 square. But these two areas must be equal, right? Now let's find. H squared minus 121 equals 5 squared is what? H squared minus 10H plus 25, okay? So this is cancelled out. 10H equals 146. That's right? This add 121 plus 25 is 146. When you divide by 10, the value of H equals 14.6 is this, okay? Here is the number 25. Yep, we have some sequence up here, right? The value of A, first term is between 1 and 10, second term is 13 to 20, and the last 15 terms between 20 to 41 to 250. We're going to find A to the 14. because the integers equally spaced have the property. Equally spaced means what? Common difference, which is arithmetic sequence. So A1 equals A1, A2 must be equals what? A1 plus D, right? So A3 equals what? A1 plus 2D, and that is arithmetic sequence. If we got A14 is what? A1 plus 13D, A15 over here looks like this one, A1 plus 14D, right? But we got only this one, and this one is given. But to find a to the 14, we need to find the first term and the common difference is D, right? Common difference equals space is what? This is common difference is D, constant. So the idea is we're going to find the first term and the common difference. You're going to find these two numbers. Because to find the A14, we need A1 plus 13 times D, right? So we have three different ones. Here, here, here. Using these three, we're going to narrow our searching area, okay? The idea over here, A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is what? A1 is D, isn't it? So what is D? I'm going to write down A2 over here. 13 and 20. When you take the interval, but this is the maximum of interval, this is the minimum value of interval, a smallest number, right? Always. D must be right there. Maximum number of numbers, minimum number over here. When you subtract, where is the maximum number? 20 minus 10? No, 20 minus 1 is the maximum number, right? Crossway. 20 minus 25 minus 10 is 15. 20 minus 1 is 19. Take a look. 13 minus 10 negative, right? That is not maximum. Maximum is what? Maximum of this number and subtract smallest of this number, okay? So 20 minus 1 is 19 is the maximum number of this interval. Minimum number, smallest one, subtract the other side, the maximum. 13 minus 10 is what? That is 3 is the smallest one, okay? Alright, crossway, okay? When you add this one, you can add it directly. 20 plus 10, that's the maximum plus maximum is maximum, right? But subtraction is different. So D must be right, 3 and 19. Okay, another one. We have 3 over here, right? Yeah. 8, 15 minus A1. 8, 15 minus A1 is a 14D, isn't it? All right, A1 minus out 14D. So 14D must be equals to how much? I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to put this one here, right? A15. A15 minus A1 is 14D, right? 14D. This is 241, 2, and 250. So what is the maximum? Maximum minus 1, right? Smallest one. That is 249. 249 minimum is 249 minus maximum number of B, right? So 241 minus 10 is 231. Crossway always, okay? If you use this one, 241 minus 1 is 240. It's greater than 249. So 240 is not minimum, right? So 231 is smaller than 240. That is minimum. When you divide by 14 over here, that is the value of the searching area, right? So 231 divided by 14 is how much? This is 1. 14 is 91. Okay? What is this one? 70 too much, right? 6 is 84, isn't it? So something like this one. Anyway, 16 point some numbers. D must be greater than 16 point some numbers. I'm going to 16 point any numbers. It's okay too. 249 over 14. I'm going to over here. 249 over 14. This is 14, right? There is 109. 7, 90 too much, right? 7 is 198. 17 point some number. So this should be greater than 6.3. The integer is 17. Must be less than integer 17. Right? So D must be 17. We don't have to check or between these two numbers, right? Because we already got the 17 over here. Okay? Now equal 17. we still to find what the first number, right? Okay, put this number 17 there. First term should be what? 1 and 10, but that's too much, right? We cannot find. There are many numbers. Over here, A2 is how much? A1 plus D, right? So A2 equals, A1 is A1 plus D, D is 17. You know, that is between what? 20 and to 13, right? This case. Because A1, A2 is what? A1 plus 17. Minus 17 both sides, A1 must be less than 3, but greater than negative 17, negative 4, right? We still several numbers over here. Okay, try this one. This is another one. Okay, getting narrow the searching. All right. Okay, negative 15 is what is it? A1 plus 14 times 17, right? 14 times 17 is how much? That is 98 plus 14 is what? 238, isn't it? So 238 less than or equals to 50 and greater than or equals to 41, right? When you subtract 238, A1 should be like greater than 3, but less than 12. You know? What is the common area? But this it doesn't matter, okay? 1, 2, 3. Or you can include this one. Or common area is what is that? Okay, A is 1 to 3, 1 to 10. Second one is 3 to negative 4. Third one is 3 to 12. Where is only this point is common, isn't it? So the value of A1 first one should be equals 3, right? Also, this is 3, 3, okay? A equals 3. You got two numbers already. So what they're asking you to find the 14 terms. What is the 14 terms? First term, 3 plus 13 times, okay? 14 minus 1, 13 times 17, right? That is the 14 terms. 17 times 13 times 17. 91, 13 is 221, isn't it? 221 plus 17. 240. Oh, no. 238. That is 221. 238. Okay. So anyway, here, that is 230, let me see. Oh, confused. Age 3 is 17, right? 221, 3 plus 221. How about this one? We don't need this. 3 plus 221 is 224, right? Yeah, that is 14 terms. Oh, there's no answer. I'm sorry. Okay, there's a sum of all digits, right? So sum of all digits is what? 2 plus 2 plus 4. 8 digits, okay? Sum of all digits is 8. Okay, that's all for 2023 AMC 8. Okay, next time we're gonna review 2024. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you next time.